Cary, North Carolina has had one of the worst, most boring downtown areas in the entire Raleigh Triangle area for many, many years. Recently though, Cary has made some dramatic and surprising changes to its downtown area. On today's video, we're going to take you on a walking tour of Cary's downtown to show you why one of the worst downtown areas in the Triangle area could potentially be becoming one of the best. We'll start on East Cedar Street in downtown Cary at Bond Brothers Beer Company. It's a brewery, tap room, and beer garden. Has an outside area, as you can see, and they have food trucks here regularly. Definitely a great place that people congregate a lot in downtown Cary. Next up, this is Sidebar. It's a bar serving cocktails, beer, and wine, and they have musical acts that play here regularly, so this area is quite bustling. Pizzeria Felici, which is the owner's last name, was that pizza shop. They cook in a wood oven, 12-inch thin crust pizzas, really amazing stuff, very well received. And this is Big Dom's Bagel Shop. They're affiliated with the pizzeria, and they are open from, I believe, 7 a.m. until they run out, they say. Next up, this is Scratch Kitchen and Tap Room. We've talked about these guys in the past when we did our Apex, North Carolina video. This is their Cary location. Great restaurant concept, salad, sandwiches, and all of that. And this is Graffiti Art Bar, part street art exhibition hall, and they also have axe throwing. This is Good Day Cary Gift Shop. It's a super cute gift shop. They have all kinds of gift ideas. Definitely worth the stop in to see what they have. Bull City Cider Works, obviously have cider, have locations in the Triangle, Durham, Wilmington, Greensboro, and Lexington, as well as here in Cary. And B Bridal Shop, really well-known downtown bridal shop. And The Perfect Piece. It's a furniture, consignment, and home decor store. It's been in Cary for quite a while in downtown Cary. As you can see, there's lots of growth and construction going on in the downtown area here. And this is Fresh Ice Cream. It's a local award-winning ice cream shop out of Raleigh. The dairy is sourced locally, and they have over 50 local suppliers for their flavors. This is the Brew Coffee Bar, obviously a coffee shop. And this is the Cary Theater. It's owned by the city of Cary, and it's been owned by them since 2011. It's a multi-use cultural facility with a focus on digital arts, including film and youth and amateur theater and music. This is Kitchen and Bath Galleries. They are a local kitchen cabinet supply store. Really great product. If you're looking for some high-end faucets and things, that's definitely where you want to go. This is Academy Street Bistro. It's a classic American bistro restaurant. Really great menu. Serendipity Gourmet Deli. They've been there for quite a while. Sandwiches, wraps, desserts, all that sort of thing. Open for lunch and dinner. Steam Coffee, another coffee shop. This is Ashworth Drugstore. It's a pharmacy and an old-fashioned soda fountain. They claim to have the best hot dogs in town. And Chatham Street Wine Market. They have wine tastings and good selection of wine. Ashworth Village. A bunch of different shops and businesses like the tailor there. This is new construction happening. This is the Jordan. It's going to be 10,000 square feet of retail and 60,000 square feet of office space. As well, the Meridian Cary apartments are going to be here, side by side to this. It's going to be quite the development when it's done. Definitely going to transform the look of downtown Cary. Old Cary Commons, shopping, services, that sort of thing in here. Been here for quite a while. And this is La Farm Bakery on the other side of the street. They've been open since 1999. One of our favorite bakeries in the Triangle. They have a white chocolate baguette that's amazing. They're crazy, crazy good. Highly recommended. This is the walk up. It is an upstairs cocktail bar. We're heading back down the same street again. As you can see, Academy Street's where a lot of the action is. And this is the Center. It's a 1970s shopping mall that's been recently revitalized. Lots of new restaurants and shops in here. Love this for the winter. They have the domes over the tables so you can be outside. Another look at the Cary Theater. And this is the Morton. It is a 45-room boutique hotel. We've had out-of-town buyer clients stay at the Morton, and they say it's really, really nice there. Cotton House Craft Brewers. Opportunity for the beer lovers out there. Plenty of outdoor seating. And now we're coming up on Downtown Cary Park. This is really the crown jewel of downtown. It's just opened up the middle of November 2023. 7-acre park has really transformed downtown Cary, as you'll see as we go through this. This is the tiered water fountain at Franz Square, sort of the icon of the park. And this is Academy Pavilion and Plaza. Market 317 is inside this pavilion, and Market 317 has snacks, drinks, grab-and-go meals, that sort of thing. There's also an event space in the pavilion. And this is the Great Lawn and Pavilion, where the park can hold larger events such as concerts and movies under the stars, that sort of thing. Another look at that pavilion. This is the Gathering House. It's an indoor-outdoor space for events. Space can be rented out. These white buildings are the Park Station townhomes. So you can buy a townhome right near this park, overlooking the park, which is great. Have the ice skating rink set up for the winter. This is the Skywalk. It is a walkway 17 feet above the park. Gives you a bird's eye view of what's going on and what everything looks like. And this is an art installation that's part of the park. This is the dog park, and behind it is the Bark Bar, where the pet parents can go get a drink while their furry family members play around with their friends. high-rises there in front of you are the Walker apartment complex. It just opened up, so you can also rent an apartment that overlooks the park as well on the opposite side. Going past the Walker Apartments here. And this is the Nest. It is a playground for kids. Around the corner from the Walker is the Cary Public Library. And this is the Cary Art Center. It has a 431-seat theater, has art programs, classes, all of that sort of thing. As you can see, Cary downtown is really growing and transforming. And this is MC Modern Asian Cuisine. Really nice Asian bistro in downtown Cary. It's been there for a little while. Well received, well regarded. And this is the renovation of the Ivy Ellington House. It was built in the 1870s. Town of Cary is restoring it after relocating it to this spot in early 2023. The town is considering eventually turning it into a welcome or history center for downtown Cary. So if you're considering a move either into or out of the Raleigh area, my real estate team and I would be honored to be your real estate agents of choice. You can email us at hello@mortonbradbury.com, click on the link in the description, or give us a call on the number below. We'll be happy to help you out and get things started. Check out this video. We think you're really going to like this one as well. Like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.